All right, y'all, I got an interesting one for y'all. All right, just want to let y'all know what I just did in a shop real quick, one of my jobs. So customer came in and they wanted their passenger side wheel bearing done. Now this is a press-in wheel bearing, meaning you gotta press the bearing out. It's not a bolt on. I didn't shoot the video, so I really can't show y'all what it is, but anyway, I completed the job and now I'm just confirming my job. That's why I'm test driving it. But the problem is that this car got so many other issues with it, and it's weird that the customer didn't want to address the other issues. One of them being this side wheel bearing. I don't know, it's kind of counterproductive because we wanted that side fixed, but both sides are making like the most craziest noise. Man, I don't even see how he can drive this car. But he only wanted one side done. It's weird. It doesn't even sound like that side was done, because this side is so loud. It's backwards. But the point of this video is I just wanted to talk to you guys and show you that, like, the customer is not going to always want to agree with the job or what you recommend, whether it's safe for them or not. They're just going to deny it. They don't want to spend the money, or they just don't care, whatever. And you being the technician, it's like I fixed one bearing, and knowing the other side of the store messed up, it's like, how do I let the car go like that? Because it's on my conscience, because now I'm the last technician to work on this car. So it's like, I feel like I'm allowing the customer to go and drive, and they think they're safe, when they're not. But that's some decisions that us technicians have to make, and it's really not our fault. But I made the recommendation. The other recommendation, the car needs shocks, the car needs brakes. The brakes is like, man, the brakes is tore down. But the only thing good in this car I seen was tires. Like, the tires was like brand new. The car drives good, but it still has issues and unsafe issues. So it's not easy working in the mechanic field, because we are literally responsible for customers' safetyness. Like, we're literally responsible, man. Like, you got to drive your car on a highway, you got your kids in the car, your family in the car. Me being a technician, I am responsible for your safetyness. I am responsible, and the best thing I can do is recommend what I think you need for your car. I can't go no further than that. It's either you accept the job or you don't, or at least come back and get it done when you can. That guy over there got a dog. That dog just scared the hell out of me. Yeah, guys, I don't like dogs. Unless I know the dog, I don't like it. But yeah, back to the story. But yeah, man, you guys, sometimes you gotta it's not always a mechanic trying to sell you work, trying to get work from you. It's about your safetyness. So sometimes you gotta bite the bullet. And if you care about your car, get the work done. You care about the car, you're gonna keep the car, it's your car, get the work done. Spend the money. Look at them brakes. This guy needs brakes, man. He need pads and rotors up there. But it is what it is, y'all. I'm gonna end this right here, man. But yeah, if y'all like the the little convo, just like, comment, subscribe to the channel. It'll be more. Let me know what y'all want to see. If I come across it, I'll take a little video of it. But yeah, let me get back to the shop. I don't want to break down in this thing. But yeah, I'll catch you on the next one, man. All right. Bonus footage. Don't forget your snap ring. Gotta put your snap ring in there. Tap it in there. Make sure it's in there. Pressing the hub in. Make sure you support the bottom. Want to support that inner bearing. Press them in. Throw them in there. There you go. Finished product. More bonus footage. Okay, guys, so the customer actually came back and did the other wheel bearing. I'm actually surprised. So even though he didn't do all the recommendations, he did come back and do the other wheel bearing. So the car is totally quiet. I added some power steering fluid to take that noise away, but he sells used cars, so he's just happy that it's quiet now. But and he can sell that car or whatever, what he want to do. But yeah. Anyway, some customers get all the work done. Some customers don't. Some get a little bit. Some get it all. But hey, our job as mechanics is just do what we can do and make these cars safe, man. So I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.